Hello, welcome to Soy Kitchen. Today I will show you how to make barbecue pork belly. So here all our ingredients for the barbecue pork belly. I have 1.2 pork belly slice, and 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon chicken flavor soup, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon coconut cream, half teaspoon black pepper, 1/8 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon honey. Okay, now I'm gonna make all the ingredients. Garlic, soy sauce, fish sauce, chicken flavor soup, chili powder, sesame oil, coconut cream, black pepper, salt, honey, then gonna mix to the can leave 4 hours before you cook. 4 hours overnight. But now it's okay. Here's my barbecue pork belly. This one I leave overnight. But you can leave just 2 hours or 4 hours. Now I can bake, and I do this one. The one I bake just 30 minutes. You put 400 degrees, but this is small oven. Some oven hot, maybe 375. Okay, but bake it more easy than fry on the pan. Okay, here is my barbecue pork belly. I have some cucumber, tomato, lettuce, and hot chili sauce. This one I already show in the video. You can check it out. And if you like egg, you can add egg. Okay, so here for lunch today.